পশ্চিমবঙ্গের আসন্ন বিধানসভা নির্বাচনের আগে ভোটার তালিকা সংশোধন বা স্পেশাল ইন্টেন্সিভ রিভিশন নিয়ে এক নজিরবিহীন ঘটনার সাক্ষী থাকল দেশের সর্বোচ্চ আদালত। আজ সুপ্রিম কোর্টে উপস্থিত হয়ে নিজের করা পিটিশনের পক্ষে নিজেই সওয়াল করলেন পশ্চিমবঙ্গের মুখ্যমন্ত্রী তথা তৃণমূল কংগ্রেস নেত্রী মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়। ক্ষমতাসীন কোনো মুখ্যমন্ত্রী হিসেবে আদালতে ব্যক্তিগতভাবে সওয়াল করার এই ঘটনা অত্যন্ত বিরল। প্রধান বিচারপতি সূর্যকান্ত, বিচারপতি জয়মাল্য বাগচি এবং বিচারপতি বিপুল এম পাঞ্চলির ডিভিশন বেঞ্চে এই মামলার শুনানি হয়। সওয়াল করতে গিয়ে মুখ্যমন্ত্রী অত্যন্ত আবেগী কণ্ঠে জানান, লর্ড, গণতন্ত্র রক্ষা করুন। তার মূল দাবিগুলি ছিল, মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের অভিযোগ, ভোটার তালিকা সংশোধনের নামে পশ্চিমবঙ্গে প্রায় 58 লক্ষ ভোটারের নাম বাদ দেওয়া হয়েছে। তিনি দাবি করেন, এই প্রক্রিয়াটি ভোটারদের নাম অন্তর্ভুক্ত করার জন্য নয়, বরং কেবল নাম বাদ দেওয়ার জন্যই পরিকল্পিত হয়েছে। তার প্রশ্ন ছিল, কেন শুধু পশ্চিমবঙ্গকেই নিশানা করা হচ্ছে? কেন অসমের মতো রাজ্যগুলিতে এমন অভিযান হচ্ছে না? তিনি নির্বাচন কমিশনকে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ কমিশন বলে কটাক্ষ করেন এবং অভিযোগ করেন যে, কমিশন আইনি পন্থার চেয়ে ব্যক্তিগত বার্তার মাধ্যমে কাজ করছে। মুখ্যমন্ত্রী দাবি করেন, পশ্চিমবঙ্গেই প্রথম এমন মাইক্রো অবজারভার নিয়োগ করা হয়েছে, যারা অন্য রাজ্য থেকে এসেছে এবং যাদের স্থানীয় ভাষা বা প্রেক্ষাপট নিয়ে কোনো ধারণা নেই। সুপ্রিম কোর্ট মমতার যুক্তিগুলি গুরুত্ব সহকারে শোনে। শুনানির শেষে আদালত কয়েকটি গুরুত্বপূর্ণ পদক্ষেপ গ্রহণ করেছে। নির্বাচন কমিশন এবং রাজ্যের মুখ্য নির্বাচন আধিকারিককে এই মামলার প্রেক্ষিতে নোটিশ জারি করা হয়েছে। আদালত পশ্চিমবঙ্গ সরকারকে নির্দেশ দিয়েছে সোমবারের মধ্যে এমন যোগ্য আধিকারিকদের একটি তালিকা জমা দিতে যারা বাংলা ভাষা জানেন এবং ভোটার তালিকা সংশোধনের প্রক্রিয়ায় স্বচ্ছতা বজায় রাখতে সহায়তা করতে পারবেন। আদালত জানিয়েছে, আগামী সোমবার 9 ফেব্রুয়ারি এই মামলার পরবর্তী শুনানি হবে। ওই দিন মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় আবারও আদালতে উপস্থিত থেকে সওয়াল করতে পারেন বলে জানা গেছে। ভোটার তালিকায় লজিক্যাল ডিসক্রিপেন্সি বা যৌক্তিক অসঙ্গতির নামে বহু মানুষের নাম বাদ দেওয়া নিয়ে গত কয়েক মাস ধরে তৃণমূল কংগ্রেস সোচ্চার ছিল। মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর আজকের এই পদক্ষেপে স্পষ্ট যে, আসন্ন নির্বাচনে ভোটার তালিকার নির্ভুলতা নিশ্চিত করতে তিনি সর্বশক্তি দিয়ে লড়াই করতে প্রস্তুত।
It's after item 16, items 36 and 37.
After these,
Fresh matters.
1 or 2 fresh matters are left.
Yes,
After that,
these are fresh. 36, 37 are fresh matters. Bengal SIR.
those are to take with us.
I'm great.
Just a minute, only 2 matters are left.
Very well.
I'm
Yes,
good.
yes.
Is the bulk of it, is cramping even the available time, which is just a few days. So these name discrepancies, my lord, should not be within this logical discrepancy to knock out people from the electoral roll, because it's what, look at the inconvenience. Look at one of those notices.
Your solution, Mr. Dwivedi, have you think about it?
Actually, more than a crore
Yeah.
thing have already taken place. Few more which are left. Because if-
No, what about this kind of discrepancies
Name discrepancy.
which are not even a spelling mistake, which are only on account of how you speak in the local dialect. This happens pan India. It happens in Haryana also, it happens in Punjab also, it happens in West Bengal, it will happen in Tamil Nadu also.
Yes,
Only Bengali name.
Sir, it may be, sir. Sorry, sir.
With your
Because
what
you-
suggestion, could we just have an insight over here from? Yes, please.
5 minutes.
If you allow me. Sir.
So, go
I
ahead.
can try.
1 minute.
Well, regards to my Honorable Chief Justice, Mr. Bagchi and Mr. Panchali also, Panchali ji also, thank you very much. And my humble regards to Mr. Dwivedi and others, my opponent lawyers also. Sir, the problem is, always our lawyers fight for the case and they're fighting from the beginning. We are also. But sir, when everything is finished, when we are not getting justice, When justice is crying behind the door, I quote Rabindranath Tagore, then we thought that we are not getting justice anywhere. So many times I have written 6 letters to Election Commission, including all the details, but no reply, sir. I'm a bonded labor, sir. Maybe I prefer that. I'm a very less important person. I prefer that. Sir, I'm from a common family, but I am not fighting for my party.
Madam Mamta, sorry for interruption. If the state government provides a team of officials
So my understanding was that mere spelling mistakes notices are not being issued.
Are being sent.
But now that this chart is being issued, is shown to your lordship just now, my lord, I need to get an instruction. Your lordship may have it tomorrow or day after, whenever I can.
She was.
the executive head of the state is also very much present. If the state government provides a team of officials who are well conversant in Bangla and who are well conversant with the local dialect,
Yeah.
and they scrutinize these, just scan through this and tell the commission that this is here only a local dialect mistake
Yes.
and not any identity mistake.
Yes.
That will help them.
No, it will help them, but it's Manoj, apparent,
Oh,
Manoj.
Johnny.
Actually,
Apparent in some of the cases on illustrative basis it may be, but it will become humanly impossible for you or for us
Yeah.
to go through and to.
Lordship
May I explain you, sir?
give me time till tomorrow, day after, my lords, then I can get back.
May I explain you, sir?
Because in my view.
Because I belongs to that state. I am a.
Can there be any doubt, Madam?
No, sir. No, sir. I am very grateful, sir, because because of your kind.
So is the state council, Justice, so we will.
Millets, even the field staff are local, they pretty much know all
Respected
these
Chief Justice, sir,
Not that
I am
something imposed.
giving you the example. I can show you some photographs. If you allow me, only I want to submit, sir, I want to lay, because it is not my photograph. All the Bengali leading newspapers, it is reported. You will be surprised to know the, sir, only, sir, my submission, sir.
No, we.
Sir, their SIR process is only for deletion, not for inclusion. Mismatch, not only the title, sir. Mismatch, mismap, unplanned. Now suppose a daughter after marry, she go to the in-laws house. Now why she's change her title? Why she's using the husband's name, husband's title? That is also mismatch.
It can't be.
Yes, sir, they have done it, sir.
That's why we are.
Now,
That's
sir,
why we.
only I just want to say. Number 2, sir, there are some daughters who married and shifted the in-laws house. They are now also just unilaterally deleted. It is just because they shifted their houses. Sir, you will appreciate sometimes some people work some office, they go to be, they transferred other offices, they work somewhere. Sometimes the poor people, they purchase the flats, they shifted their addresses, but they are the genuine people who are staying there. But because of the name of logical discrepancy, now they change the name. No, instead of logical discrepancy, when you gave order, sir, they violated, and they say it is the discrepancy mapping. Sir, can they even violate your order? Number 2, sir, we are grateful. Bengal people are so happy that this court gave order that Aadhaar card will be one of the proof documents. But they said no, on with Aadhaar card. Sir, in other state, sir, the domicile certificate is allowed. Sir, the family registered card is allowed. Sir, the government housing card is allowed. The health card is allowed. The bank books means whatever caste certificate is allowed. Only they targeted Bengal on the eve of election. Sir, 4 state opposition state are going for on the eve of election. But why after 24 years, what was the hurry to do it? What it takes 2 years, only within 3 months, even when the festival season is there, when the harvesting season is there, when people are not in a mood to be in the city, they were in the outside, but they are traveling, and that time they issued the notices and all this. Sir, more than 100 people died, sir. Can you imagine? Sir, BLOs died and they have written the letter that CEO is responsible for my committing suicide. So many BLOs are murdered, they died. And also more than 150 people died and so many are hospitalized. Sir, because of the harassment of the people,
Millets, it is there.
because of Bengal is
Everything is
targeted, sir.
fine.
Sir, you tell me why not Assam? Sir, why not Assam?
The state
What are the
government,
conditions, my lord?
we cried foul, saying that.
Why not Assam?
In cooperation. They say.
Why not
it's
Northeastern?
fine.
Madam has come all the way to speak something.
Indeed, Millet. But the only thing is that, Millet, if it's off the record, we need to.
Madam Mamta, let
Yes.
me clarify 2-3 things to you.
No, this is
About the Aadhaar card,
commission.
this matter, about SIR's validity issue. SIR's validity issue is being argued before us from last more than 2 months. In the main judgment, which was the first case, we have reserved the judgment. Therefore, we are not in a position to comment with regard to the credibility, credential, or admissibility, and to what extent about the Aadhaar card. That issue has been argued before us. We have reserved the judgment. But you also will appreciate Aadhaar card has also its own limitations when you will read that statute under which it is issued. At the same time, with reference to its insertion in the RP Act, what will be its value? We are yet to determine that part. You have one part. Second, you have pointed out this issue of the discrepancies part. In this case, one way out can be that you give a team of officers, the election commission can take them on deputation in the sense that those can also be part of the election commission team, verify that here it is a spelling mistake or it is only because of the local dialect that this mistake is occurring. Those must be rectified. That has to be rectified. So let us see what response they will give. We will grant them 1 day time. Tomorrow or day after.
No, sir. What happens, sir, ultimately, in practical, ERO has no power now. They have superseded all the power from DO, ERO, BLRO. Only they have appointed 8,300 micro observer and the role observer from the BJP ruled state, so that DO cannot clear the.
But in this case, one way out can be that you give a team of officers, the election commission can take them on deputation in the sense that those can also be part of the election commission team, verify that here it is a spelling mistake or it is only because of the local dialect that this mistake is occurring. Those must be rectified. That has to be rectified. So let us see what response they will give. We will grant them 1 day time. Tomorrow or day after.
No, sir. What happens, sir, ultimately, in practical, ERO has no power now. They have superseded all the power from DO, ERO, BLRO. Only they have appointed 8,300 micro observer and the role observer from the BJP ruled state, so that DO cannot clear the name. It is all micro observer can delete all the names sitting inside the election commission office through AI. Sir, earlier 58 lakhs are being deleted. Even they were not allowed to file Form 6. Sir, earlier first phase, 58 lakhs deleted. There so many people are alive and now they are being declared by that their death. Sir, the anti-women, so many women.
Madam Mamta, if need arises, we will mandate it, we will direct. Every document will have to be signed by the BLO, who are the authorized officers and who are the authorized notified officers.
Kindly see the directions in the website, Millets,
Don't
so
think
far
that
as the so-called micro observer.
Micro observer is the final authority. Election commission, WhatsApp commission. WhatsApp commission is saying it is only the micro observer. Only they are deleting all the names.
Millets, they could certificate on record.
May I just take you back?
They are all government of India officials.
My lords,
They are-
even
Lord, in one of the matters, government is a party. Lord, let
But the problem is that they are not allowing the people.
the matter.
They are not allowing the
legal domain
state officials.
Possibly for most of the submission.
They are not allowing the domicile certificate.
So day after.
They are not
Yeah.
allowing the government certificate.
May I just-
let that be a direction, Millets, we should be served the copies.
may I just highlight? two
I
points?
have something.
Yeah, I
speak
just want to
about.
highlight 2 points. If your lordship would just take up, I want to save time, so just go to my note for a moment. Just go back.
But
to-
I want to intervene for 1 minute, Lord, if lordship permits, Lord. We have written several letters to the
just go to my note for a moment. Just go back.
But
to-
I want to intervene for 1 minute, Lord, if Lordship permits, Lord. We have written several letters to the state government to give us Group B, Lord, the class 2 officers of the rank of SDM or equivalent, so that, my Lord, EROs can be appointed. That's the standard pattern, my Lord, that they should be class 2 officers because they decide vital rights, papers and all.
No, that has
Now
not given.
they have given, my Lord, only about 80 officers of that rank. Rest, all of them were given who were clerks and below, who were working under the pressure of the state government. Therefore, we had to appoint, my Lord, micro observers who can assist, my Lord, in case, my Lord, they are in the confusion. So the fault lies with them in not giving us class 2 officers for performing the job of AERO and ERO. So that's the reason why this is happening. And these micro observers are validly appointed under section 13C read with 3.
No, there is no statutory rules.
My learned friends are not right, Lord, that they are not, we are not entitled to appoint them. If this is the state of affairs, which is not contemplated by the rules and the state is not cooperating, then there's no alternative except to appoint the observers who can assist. Class 3 officers from Anganwadi and so on, they are being given to us. So that's
And
the
this is the
reason why
communication.
your assistant.
Lord, there is only one.
But they are not assisting.
There is
They are
one,
taking
Lord, one,
They are
Lordship
taking
have
decisions, not
one
assisting.
side of the story.
Minutes.
But fair enough.
It Ramakant-
What I'm highlighting is
There
just
is no
two things so
problem.
that your lordship sees them.
Let me say this, Lord, there's no problem of time,
The
Lord.
the first.
Have some buffers if there is
अरे भाई এটা
more than 1 crore already heard. And if somebody is not heard, your lordships are there and we
We
are,
have
our
granted-
power is
We
there.
have been
to
extending
expand
time.
it by a-
We have been extending time. We have been.
My lords have passed a slew of directions.
my lordship,
Every
my
aspect of
lordship with my humble regards. May I tell you, sir,
Whatever they have pointed out.
my
and
opponent lawyers raised,
said that.
sir, sir, that is not correct.
Madam
That is not correct, sir.
Madam Mamta, we have no doubt about the ability of Mr. Diwan. He is one of the best counsel, senior counsel you have chosen.
Yes,
Let him
with his
assist us
permission.
on your behalf.
With his permission, sir. Only one thing, sir.
Your point we have well taken.
Sir, it depends on some district,
Kindly
some
give us
states,
the-
sir.
give us the-
We have suppose 44 district. We have 23 district. Now SDM is depends on the district wise. Now whatever we have the strength, we have included all. We are cooperating to them all. My
To provide class 2 group.
Yes, we have given, sir. Whatever they are,
Alright.
we have given. But they are telling
All right, all right. Please-
what I don't believe.
I think we will be able to find out a practical solution.
Very well.
On Monday, when we take up this matter, and you also on Monday, please give us the list of the Group B officers which you are in a position to spare
Yes.
and to provide to them for their
Furnish it in
assistance.
advance.
So that,
And your lordships may list that matter also because
Yes.
there is direct bearing on that.
ICT
There is an atmosphere of hostility. Election Commission says.
And it contains all our communication
Yes,
to the
but
government.
with written
Trying for
communication
help.
is not contemporaneous.
issue notice.
Lords, I have
just-
one apprehension, that's all I have. I don't want Mr. Dwivedi coming on Monday and saying, now we have finished 1.2 crore hearings as a figment of his.
It's all right.
Numbers.
We are entitled to our defense.
That's what you said.
That's an ongoing exercise that will
Sir, only my last submission, sir.